Now we will see the trace out of bubble sort. How bubble sort algorithm works on given unsorted array. The unsorted array is 90, 45, 35 and 17. We are going to compare continuous two values, like we are going to compare value at 0 and 1, one location, first and second, second and third onwards. So compare 90 and 45, as 45 is smaller than 90, so shift 45 above remaining values as they are. Again, now compare 90 with 35. So there is swapping done between 90 and 35. So 70. Now, now compare 90 with 70. So finally you got 9, 45, 35, 70 and 90. So this entire transactions are called as pass 0. So in this way pass 0 is performed. Here you can observe that we have compared 0, 90 with 45, then 45 with 35 and 35 with 70. So after pass 0 you got the final biggest value, that is 90. Now we are going to perform the next pass, that is pass 1. So I just copy the data 45, 35, 70 and 90. So during this pass, again you compare 45 with 35. So 35 is smaller than 45. So swap this value. Now write down 35, 45 remaining values as they are 90. In next pass, we are going to compare just in next pass we are going to compare 45 with 70. See here that we are not going to compare the last value, because that value is at its final position during pass 0. So write down the next data. So after comparison 35 as it is, as 17 is smaller than 45, so move it upwards 45 and 19. So this is your pass 1. So for next pass I am just copying the values as it is. Now in for pass 0 we got the largest value 90. In pass 1 we got the second largest value 45. Now compare 35 with 70. This is your pass 2. Now again there is a need of swapping because 17 is smaller than 35. That's why shift or change 35 with 17, copy remaining values, and now the data is completely sorted. So there are total 4 values. So passes are number of values minus 1 number of passes, that is there are 3 passes. For 4 values we need 3 passes, and finally we can write down this as in this way, like pass 0, pass 1 and pass 0, pass 1 and pass 2, and your unsorted data is 90, 45, 35 and 17. So write down just the output of 45, 35, 70, 90. So here 45, 35, 70 and 90. Then pass 1 output. So pass 1 output is 35, 70, 45 and 90. And pass 2 is 17, 35, 45, and 90. So in this way, you can write down all passes collectively.